Hi, hello, welcome back to our channel CA Minds Easy CA Coaching. Well, today we are going to learn about reissue of forfeited shares and shares issued in consideration other than cash. Before looking into this video, please click on the link below which leads to the playlist of company accounts. Please watch those videos to have a clear understanding of this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Well, we have also created a channel in Telegram and a space in Quora. Please do follow the two spaces on the social media to have latest notifications in our channel. The links would be provided in the description below. So, what are you waiting for? Let's go. We have learnt what is a forfeiture and why the forfeiture of shares took place. Now, in the case of reissue, the forfeiture shares are reissue in order to recover the loss from such non-payment of such allotment, call money, etc. Well, when a company wants to reissue of forfeited shares, then the nominal value of the share, for example 10 rupees, has to be decreased to some extent. Let us take the example that the 10 rupees share is decreased to 8 rupees. The discount would be 2 rupees. So, such discount is to be debited in the form of forfeited shares account. Then the forfeited shares account would be debited. Then bank account would be debited. And share capital would be automatically credited. We have debited bank account because we are the receiver of such actual amount, and forfeited shares is debited as we have discussed that the discount is a expense, so it is debited, and share capital is credited automatically. The narration would be being the reissue of some number of shares at the rate rupees 10 rupees at the rate 10 rupees each as per board's resolution number dated. Please do not forget to write narrations while writing journal entries. And the second entry would be forfeited shares account debited to capital reserve account. Since reserve is of credit balance, you have to credit it, whereas forfeited shares account should be debited. So, why we have wrote this entry? Because the profit on reissue is received by the forfeited share account, and from such forfeited share account it is transferred to capital reserve account. As we have assumed that one share is equal to 10 rupees, like let us assume the number of shares is 1000. So 10 rupees into 1000, 10,000 value. 10,000 by 1000, it would be 20 it would be 10 rupees. This is the forfeited amount per share. If you want to calculate forfeited amount per share, you have to do in the following manner. So, how to find the profit on reissue which has to be transferred to capital reserve account? The first step is you have to find the forfeited amount per share as shown in the video. And what is the loss on reissue? Loss on reissue would be 2 rupees. Since 10 rupees of share is reduced to 8 rupees, the 2 rupees will be the loss on reissue or discount on reissue. Well, then what will be the surplus per share of reissue? 10 rupees minus 2 rupees would be 8 rupees. 8 rupees into 1000 shares would be 8,000 shares, 8,000 rupees. Then the entry must be followed like this: forfeited shares account to capital reserve account. What was the amount? The amount should be 2000. Okay, then this is the concept behind the reissue of forfeited shares. Well, let us go into the concept of issue of shares for consideration other than cash. As we have learned that when a company issues shares in cash and public subscribe their shares, but in this case when a company purchases any assets such as land and building, machinery, etc., in exchange of such purchase, the shares are reissued. So, let us take an example to understand this clearly. There's a company A Limited purchases land and building, machinery from Z Limited. The Z Limited offers what A Limited asks, but in return A Limited issues shares from the authorized share capital. Then the entry would be assets account assets account debited to share capital account. So that's all for now. The issue of shares unit is completed today. So in the next video we are going to cover about issue of debentures. But before covering issue of debentures, I forgot to say one thing. We are going to discuss about how the balance sheet is made by the company and the profit and loss account of the company. So if you want to access more video lectures, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.